I've been using the Eufy E25 for a few days now. It is so easy to set up and use. Just fill it with water or add your favorite cleaning solution. The app allows you to control everything, from where it cleans in your home, to how much suction power it uses, and if there are any obstacles on its path, it will avoid them automatically. So no more having to pick things off the floor before starting a clean. You can also choose which surfaces you want it to vacuum first, and then mop afterwards. One of my favorite features about this robot is that it has an LED light that turns on when it goes into dark spaces, so you don't have to worry about missing spots under furniture or beds. This little guy does all the work while I relax or get other chores done around the house. Plus, he even empties himself after each session. How cool is that?